Hello, this is Dr. Truc MD. I am a family medicine doctor who recently took Giovanni's Access the Leader Within about 4 weeks ago. And I'm in the process of building my own practice. And so I knew his course was pretty priceless when I took it. But one of the outcome that I got that was very unpredictable and very, very surprising was this Tuesday when I went for a job interview. I was interviewing for a part-time locum tenens once a week, just to have some supplement income for my practice that I'm building. By the end of the conversation, I was able to bring a lot of what Giovanni's taught in the course to the owner and the COO of the company, and got them to see how they didn't have a structure, like a business structure. They didn't have any internal branding or external branding, and there was no mission for the company, there's no vision. And I just kind of asked them like to put in those structures because of the power of language in which you could use to build and brand your company. And so after giving them just a gist of what I got from Giovanni's course, they were blown away, and they literally asked me if I could work for them permanently. But then also the owner asked if I was interested in working in a wellness center, because of this, like I was telling them about I'm building a wellness center. And then so I said, okay, I could go and look at it and right now. And they said, okay. So the clinic's in Buckhead. We went there and I looked at what they had and how they didn't have a physician, and there was some breakdown in that. So I think within like 30 minutes of being there, I was able to break down what was missing in their company, like their practice, in both clinics, and why the company's not working and why the clinic's not working the way it is, and where he'd been ineffective at running the company. And so immediately on the spot, they offered me a base salary, commission, and then because I'm building my own practice, so they wanted me to stay with them, so they offered me partnership. Now in medicine, from what I learned from my mentor, to get partnership, you really have to work in a clinic or the practice for about at least 3 years, and recently maybe 1 year, but usually it's 3 to 5 years to get partnership. And without any investment, like initial investment that I have to put in, they just want me there. And so I started to see like the value that I got from Giovanni's course. I mean, like, not only did I get the way that I'm building my brand and how I'm creating all the internal structure and the branding for the company, there's a sense of confidence that I have. And I have no background in business whatsoever, none. I mean, literally my whole life I had been a science nerd. But one weekend and I got offered partnership. I mean,